Hey crafty friends, Jen Cassell here. I'm super excited to share with you the design team package that I received for Miss Kate Cuttables. I'm doing some guest design work for her and she sent me some amazing stuff. So I was really surprised when I opened the box and saw all this. I'm blown away at her generosity. So let's start off. I'm really excited about these. These are her premium carbide blade. It's a pack of 5. We have the standard and the deep cut. So I'm really interested to see how these compare with the Cricut band because that is what I use. So this will be a lot of fun to try out. But let's move on to the paper collections that she sent. So it's spooky season is this one right here. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? You get a lot of stuff with this. So you're getting a 12 by 12 paper pack. It's all made in the USA. How awesome is that? These are double-sided papers, so you get 20 sheets of paper, 39 designs, an 8 by 12 sticker sheet that has more than 60 stickers on it, 4 sheets of 4 by 4 elements, and 1 sheet of 4 by 6 elements. So how cool. Let's take a look. So our next collection is the Spooky Vibes collection. This one has a lot of pinks, purples, almost like a salmon-y color pink too. Very cute. She also sent me some of her page kits, which I'm not a scrapbooker, so I'm very interested to see how this is going to, how I can work with these. But let's see what's inside. It includes all of the die cuts, photo mats. Oh, cute. Now, even if you're not a scrapbooker like me, you could cut these individual elements out and you've got some cute paper here. Really cute. So it's almost like a little mini kit that you get here. And these are die cut elements. They're non-adhesive on the back. Cute. You could just do a small card with those projects. Very cute. In fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. So we also have the Fall in Love page kit. So here are the elements for this. And once again, look, you've got a little tag right here. You can make a fun tag just out of this. And here are page elements. So once again, cut them apart. We've got this adorable stripe at the bottom. This is, you could do cards so easily with this. So don't count it out if you're not a scrapbooker. Gorgeous paper, absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. Really pretty. I like this. So we've got the Fall in Love. This is the full collection of the Fall in Love. I got this because I thought it would look absolutely beautiful with some of the October release from Scrap Diva. She did a lot of fall, and I'm not really a traditional fall girl, so I really like to add some pinks into my fall, and this is a beautiful collection. Last but not least, this is the Candy Cane Christmas paper. Oh my goodness. So thank you for watching, and thank you to Miss Kate Cuttables. I am going to link her in the description box. Pop on over to her shop. Oh my gosh, she has the goods. So many cute things in her shop. So catch me back when I start creating with these amazing paper collections. I have so much in store for you. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crafty content. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.